Hey there, webmasters and site owners. Are broken links messing up your website's user experience and hurting your SEO? Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix them. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know how to identify and repair broken links quickly and effectively. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly are broken links? A broken link, also known as a dead link, is a hyperlink that no longer works. Broken links are usually displayed as a 404 error message. This could happen for a few reasons. The URL was typed incorrectly, the linked page has been moved or deleted, or the page hosted by the website is no longer active. Broken links are bad news. They frustrate users and can negatively impact your SEO. Now that we know what broken links are, how do we find them? Here are a few methods that you can use. Google Search Console. It's free and powerful. Just head to the coverage or URL inspection section to spot crawl errors. Online tools. Use tools like Broken Link Check, Dead Link Checker, or Screaming Frog. These tools scan your website and generate a report of broken links. Browser extensions. There are extensions like Check My Links for Chrome that highlight broken links on your web page in real time. Alright, now that we've found the broken links, it's time to fix them. Here's how. Update the URL. If the content still exists but the URL has changed, update the link to point to the correct URL. Redirect the old URL. Use a 301 redirect to send visitors and search engines to the new page. This is great for preserving your SEO ranking. And finally, remove or replace the link. If the content is no longer available and there's no suitable replacement, you can either remove the link or replace it with a similar relevant resource. The last part in this video is preventing broken links in the future. Prevention is better than cure, right? Here are some tips to avoid broken links. Regular audits. Schedule routine checks for broken links using the tools we discussed earlier. Use relative URLs. This can help if you move content within your site. And monitor external links. Check links to third-party sites regularly as you don't control those pages. Connect is a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which is dedicated to empowering individuals and communities through digital skills training and support. Our mission is to increase technology and digital participation, opening doors to new opportunities for everyone. What we offer: digital skills training. Develop essential skills from basic computer use to advanced digital marketing strategies with guidance from expert trainers. Affordable courses. Access high-quality training programs designed to be affordable for all. Community outreach. We are passionate about supporting underserved communities through free IT classes and befriending events funded by our profits. Expert guidance. Learn from experienced mentors who are committed to helping you succeed in the digital world. Our products. Digital resources. Discover a range of ebooks, templates, and tools to boost your digital journey. Website design and maintenance. Let us design and maintain a professional website tailored to your business needs. Join Connect CIC today and take the first step towards digital empowerment. Together, we can bridge the digital divide and create a lasting change.